It's very pretty. I don't know if I'm live, but maybe we are. So where's the trail? Oh, Rich is here. Yo, hold on, Rich. Let me, yo, what's up, dude? How you doing? I got my pink shirt on. We're having a time in Vermont. Check out that view. Very good chance the stream dies. Just a warning. But yeah, we'll see what we can get out of this. And I know this is also going to be very shaky because I forgot my selfie stick, but that's fine. This is a place called Hogback Mountain. You're watching a solar eclipse? Nice. Did that start in Wales? All right. Hold on. But yeah, if the stream dies, just let me know. I mean, I'm sure I'll figure it out if it does. Do you want to look for the path, Dad?
Yes, I'm just reading a couple of texts.
All right, yeah, sure.
I mean, look down.
Yeah.
See any access to down there? Over to the right.
Well, I see stairs there, but I don't know if that's accessible. If these stairs are open to the public over here. Well, no, that's a trail. Yeah. Yeah, I guess this is the start of it. Maybe? There's not really a trail down there. Here, let's see if there is a trail over on that side. And I mean, this is all fucked up over here. This thing. But yeah, I guess I'll look around, see if we find another access point. Oh shit, Rich, you watched 50 consecutive streams. That's awesome. Here, I'm gonna switch to that while we figure out where we're going. But yeah, I have this power pack with me, so I'm like holding a million things right now. But yeah, it's a fun time. Vermont is cool with my cousins. That might be the path down there. I really don't know. Yeah, I don't really know where I'm going. We'll find it. I'm waiting for my dad over there. So, yeah. No, take your time. Yeah, you know what? I'm switching back over because this view is really cool. Hold on. Yeah, you can't do what Trump did where he like looked directly into the thing. Like, I guess that's trailish down there. What if I just dropped my phone right here? Like that girl that was streaming and like just dropped right in the soup or whatever it was. All right, here he comes. Well, we're looking for a trail. Yeah, see that obelisk is all like torn up. Like, is that the trail, you think, down there?
Walk down here and look.
Yeah, I guess, but I mean, looking at it, it doesn't really look like that's the trail. This might, but I mean, I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, I mean, you didn't see a trail, right, down here.
I see like slightly paved grass, I guess, but this doesn't look like a trail to me. This just looks like the bottom of something. I mean, maybe there's a trail down that way.
We could go down there.
Yeah, here, let's check it out. Let's see if that's where a trail is. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is all right. Well, I mean, we might have a trail over here. Let's see. That looks pretty trailish. All right, off on a weird, fun little Vermont trail. See, like when I think hiking, I think of like paved. I guess not. I shouldn't say roads, but yeah. I guess this is a trail. Oh boy. But yeah, no, Vermont's cool. We went to Wahoo's, which is a place I streamed before. Yeah. You know, I think I'm gonna take this power pack off. Because this shit is heavy. It's very Vermont-y.
Bring us to that first parking area we saw.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Yeah, and when we're done with this, we're gonna go to the shop. I gotta buy some stuff for Jordan's 40th. I already bought a thing for him at a thrift store. Okay, you know what? I need to give me 1 second. I need to take this power pack off. It's way too heavy. All right. If this dies, it dies. Buy some milk for him. I mean, it's funny you say that because it's very close to what I am gonna buy, which is cheese. All right. This does not seem like a hiking trail. This just seems like a path. Just like a path to somewhere else. But I mean, we already came this far. Might as well see what's at the end of it.
There's a building up ahead.
Yeah, that's the building. That's the distillery, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just the distillery over there. Cheese is indeed a milk block. That's true. All right, so maybe this leads to a hiking path over here. If this is too tiring for you, you don't have to go the whole way.
I'm still okay.
All right. I see a boat. Yeah, I remember when we were here last year, I tried to stream on the lake, but the stream died after like 3 minutes. So this one seems more stable than that one. So that's good. There's a loud truck. All right. Well, I would not consider that a hiking trail, but I see there's a sign over there. Let's see what that says. What?
I'm gonna look out here.
All right. Yeah, maybe we got a good view over there. Are we allowed in there? That says Cornerstone Counseling, and it also says private property, no trespassing. So I don't think you should go there. I mean, you could probably look to the right of it if you wanted. Yeah, I think maybe there's a trail over that way. Oh boy. But this sign's got to like say a trail up there, I would think. Metcalf's Vermont Distillery. All right. So let's see what this says. Never mind. That says literally nothing. There's literally nothing on that. Okay. I guess let's walk over there or something. Is that a little trail over there? Here, let's see if this is a little trail. Trail. This might be a little trail down here. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. Hogback Mountain Rim Run. Oh God. All right. So what is the good way to go? I'm gonna go down this way. I don't even know if my stream is still on. Rich, are you still there? Because it says I'm down to 1 viewer, so the stream might have died. But that's fine. If it did. It's definitely a cool path of flowers over here. It's very nice. Am I stepping on anything? Yeah, okay, you're still here, Rich. Nice. Yeah. Well, this is not trespassing. This is the actual trail. And it looks like, yeah, Tower Trail over there. Or whatever that says. Yeah, Tower Trail. I'm not going to do the whole trail. I'm just curious about what we got. And also the fact that I'm eating more and I want to remain under 210. Yeah, it's very pretty so far. I wonder if I should be wearing long pants for this, in case there's like ticks and stuff. Well, you gotta get the eclipse going or something.